name is Lorenzo, the online programming coordinator at North York Community House. What is North York Community House? It's a neighborhood center that has been working with newcomers and residents in the North York area of Toronto for over 30 years. What do? We offer a wide variety of programs to help children, youth, adults, and seniors to settle, thrive, and belong in the new lives in Canada. Now, let's find out what we're going to talk about today. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Casey. Casey, welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Casey. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Okay, great. So Casey here, she's a digital connection and literacy support worker at North York Community House, and she runs the digital literacy program. So Casey, my question for you is, why should I come to your program?
Okay, so the digital literacy program is a program geared to seniors. We have different components of the program. We have peer-to-peer support where seniors support other seniors learning online application, how to navigate. We also have one-on-one support where myself or co-worker, her name is Jen. Jen is responsible in charge of the one-on-one component, and I'm responsible to support the seniors. We also have the intergenerational part where youth support seniors, one-on-one learning digital literacy.
Okay, so you have a senior, but also youth and senior. Wow, that's great. And you mentioned online applications. Can you give us an example?
So for example, how to log into Zoom or how to navigate Google or how to create an email, how to send a Google Doc or create a Google Doc. So we show them the basic beginner skills and they practice it on their own.
Okay, so does that happen? So it happens on Zoom, right? You meet with the others on Zoom, and then everybody stays in one big room, or are there breakout rooms?
In some cases, there are breakout rooms if an individual need like the one-on-one support. Most of the seniors, they work in peers, so they're allowed to do that. But some cases, they will meet the seniors in one-on-one situations where they can work together on whatever difficulty or problems they're having.
Okay, I get that. Okay, but what if I don't have a computer, for example?
Okay, so we also have this component where we will give the seniors or the participants a computer or an iPad for the duration of the program or a longer if need be. We also have a partnership with Toronto Public Library where we give seniors access to a hotspot.
Okay, wow. You do a lot. Yeah, you provide a lot of assistance. So what are some of the advantages for both sides?
Yeah, some advantages for the seniors are they learn how to navigate the computer, to be independent. They create a community where they curb the isolation barriers. So even though it's called digital literacy, it also a wellness check-in to see how everyone is doing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow. And for the volunteers, right? Also the youth volunteers.
Yes.
What is the benefit for them?
They get experience, they get work experience because they have where they do interviews before they're paired with seniors. And it's also like language geared, language specific. So we have different languages that the youth speak or even the seniors. So we have Tamil, Cantonese, Mandarin, Gujarati, Spanish, Punjabi, and Russian.
Wow. So for example, if I don't feel confident, for example, speaking English, I can speak my own language. I can find someone.
So we will pair you in a group that speaks your specific language, or we will pair you with in one-on-one situation with a youth who speaks your language.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so for our listeners, if you want to know more, make sure to check the description down below, and there you will find the link to the program and also Casey's email so that you know how you can contact her. So Casey, thank you again for coming.
Thank you for having me. It was a
Yeah,
pleasure.
my pleasure. And then I will see you next time. Okay, bye bye.